జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ 20th శ్లోక. ఆన్ అర్జునాస్ chariot there is one flag. On that flag Hanuma is there. Now Arjuna has seen the entire Kaurava army and now he is taking his bow. Thinking about this meaning, now also visualizing that we are sitting right in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma in the shoes of Arjuna, and Krishna Paramatma is giving Gitopadesam to us directly. With all that thought process, let us now chant the sloka. Adha व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धार्तराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते धनुरुद्यम्य पांडवः. Om. The moral from this sloka: keep doing good activities, keep doing community service, then Hanuma will definitely always will be with you to support you. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. This is from 18th chapter 66th and 69th sloka. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Keep spreading my Bhagavad Gita to all the devotees. If you do like that, you will become my most beloved devotee. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep carrying out good activities. I shall keep doing community service. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita to all the devotees. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. Ho Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Let us do namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. Let us do namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamapetamapetakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा, सरस्वती देवी, व्यास महर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. Suta Maharshi telling to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "Oh Maharshis," Narada Maharshi giving all his details to Vyasa Maharshi like this: "Oh Vyasa, in my previous life, I was a son of a maid. So that time, some of great yogis, great scholars, saint people, they came to my village. So my mother sent me to them to do some service to them, to take care of them. Though I was so small child, I did not do any naughty things. I was not playing here and there. I was also making sure that I speak very limited. And then I started serving, I started doing seva to all those great people. Those great people, saintly people, used to see everyone equal. Such those saints now started showing so much of compassion on me. Krupam chakruhu. They started showing their grace on me after seeing my character, after seeing my behavior, after seeing my service. And also those days, while I am doing service to them, with their permission, I used to eat food from whatever was left after they eat. With all that, I used to eat only for one time. With all that Bhagavatottama Seva, the service to the great people, all the sins that which were attached to my manas got totally burnt out. All the sins were washed off. And slowly I started getting so much of eagerness to observe, practice dharmam, ruchih prajayate. I started getting so much of interest in doing good things. Oh Vyasa. Then those saintly people, they stayed in my village for 2 months. Every day they used to do some Kathamrita Ganam, Sri Krishna Kathamrita Ganam. They used to give discourse upon Sri Krishna Paramatma's miraculous activity. Every day I used to listen to those stories very eagerly with so much of attention. With all that, ruchihi abhavat, while listening, after listening and listening, I slowly started getting so much of love, affection towards Sri Krishna Paramatma. That slowly turned out as bhakti, devotion towards Sri Krishna Paramatma. Ever since I started getting that bhakti towards Sri Krishna Paramatma, I also started seeing Paramatma in each and every entity in this entire universe. Like that, when those saintly people discoursed upon Sri Krishna Paramatma stories for 4 months, I listened to them for 4 months. With all that continuous, constant listening to the great stories of Sri Krishna Paramatma, in my all the passion, loathsomeness, rajas, tamas got so much suppressed down, and my sattva gunam, gentleness, started dominating within me. And also I started getting some control upon my own indriyas, organs. With that, I also started getting so much of shraddha towards dharma. Those saintly people, those Bhagavatottamas have noticed such a huge transformation and change in me. And you know what they did? Before they leave from my village, they have given me a knowledge which was given by Sakshat Paramatma to the entire humanity. Jnanam Guhyatamam Yettat Sakshat bhagavatoditam. Such a great essence of, quintessence of entire Vedas, such a huge, great treasure knowledge. Those saintly people gave me, initiated me. O Vyasa, that is how I got Bhagavatottama's seva. Only by listening to Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine stories, I got so much of transformation within me. Like this, Narada Maharshi told about himself to Vyasa Maharshi. Suta Maharshi narrating all these stories to Saunaka and other Maharshis. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, first chapter, 20th sloka. Adha vyavasthitan društva dhartarashtran kapidhvajah pravrutte shastrasampate dhanurudyamya pandavaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.